It is cold in here. Baby, it's cold. Oh my god. I saw a person already putting their Christmas tree. I went, Nani? Why? Why, you idiot? Why? Anyway, hello there. Welcome back. Today, I have, another tutorial. I said I'm gonna be stopping with the Krita tutorials. Yes, if you don't know, and I do. I have a character here. He's speaking something. We're gonna hear him speaking, you see. And he's gonna move his lips. Yeah, this is a guy dressed as a girl. It's he is part of my new animation that I'm still working on. Hopefully, I can finish it by the end of this year. And yeah, let me just play this for you.
My name's Ladybeard. I'm a heavy metal singer and pro wrestler from Australia, currently based in Japan.
Okay, you get the idea, right? His name is Ladybeard. Yes. Now, how can get the mouth movement? So I'm gonna take your attention a little bit. Toby, come here. Oh my god, I saw the new poster for the not for you, Toby. I'm sorry. And yes, I said I think Marvel was meh, but I'm kind of excited for this one. I mean, Dr. Ock is there. I mean, come on. And rumors has it that maybe Toby will be there. Who knows? I'm very excited. Oh, so I might watch this one. I haven't watched any of the new Spider-Man stuff. Toby, I'm not cheating on you. I think cheating is bad, Toby. Okay. Uh, anyway, so yeah, I just saw it. Yeah, Toby, are you excited? Yes, you are. So we have the hair. The hair is moving. The hair is in the background. We have the character on its own with his eyes closed and stuff like that. And we have the mouth. Now the mouth here has a couple of frames. All of these frames here that have different colors. I think that's obvious. And I think that's the best way you can animate in Krita. Just to if you want to animate a mouth movement, it's just to have a layer with just the mouth and change the movement there to animate basically frame by frame. That's how we're gonna do it. The only problem in Krita is we don't have the waveform, which is kind of a bummer. The waveform is a form of the audio that you have, and you can see when the audio peaks and when the audio goes down. And it's helpful when you try, even when you edit your videos. If you try to look at your audio form when you edit, you can decide where exactly you're going to cut. Right, you don't have to keep looking at yourself. It's weird sometimes, okay, but it is a direct. It helps you to direct and see where you want to cut and stuff like that. In this case, it would help us to see when he's opening his mouth, when he's closing his mouth, and to direct you easy. But now all I can do is to hit play. It's very hard to to stop and pick that. Is it this frame? Is it that frame? Where he should open his mouth? Where he should close his mouth? So that's kind of a bummer. That's why I don't like doing lip syncing in Krita. But it's not impossible. So how are you gonna do that? Well, first you need to have your audio. Now this is my setup for Krita. I have my timeline on top, and on your timeline, when you see the audio icon, which is over here, if we zoom in a little bit, if you click on it, you can in my case now I can change the audio, but usually I think it says open audio or something like that. So you click on that, and the way the audio formats are all of these over here. So whatever audio you're gonna import, it has to be in one of those formats. Now I have first part, second part. Now the first part's already animated. I didn't quite animate it well, but this is what I want, so I'm not gonna change this. I'm gonna click cancel. But if you wanna import your audio, this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna open it. I think here it says open. And you can increase your audio or decrease your audio volume there. The other thing that you need to consider in when you're going to do a lip sync animation, obviously your audio. Can you import it into your program? The answer is yes. And then you need to plan, which is also part of the audio as well. You need to plan your animation. This my character will be sitting, and the only thing that moving will be his mouth and his hair. So what I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. And I'm gonna show you this hello here. This is my cheating source you see me use. I created this this image and I put it here on the side. You can download this image for free, or you can just Google it. You can Google lip syncing poses or mouth poses. That I know that sounds weird, but Google it and see what what will come up for you. It's easier to see. It's easier to see which mouth position is for the specific sound. And sometimes, even if you don't know what kind of position of the mouth, you can like let's say record yourself, or you can pronounce it with the audio. Like, okay, my mouth, my lips are doing ooh, ooh. Like, you can also use yourself as a model for this. And the way you can put a reference image, because this is a reference image, you can go to this pin icon over here, and you have to have your two options open. Go to settings, no curse, and two options over here, and they will pop up somewhere on your screen. And once you select your pin icon, you can go to the plus button over here, and you can I have lip sync. I can open this and it will pop up over here. You can move this and you can put it here on the side. Or you can click this and just press delete, because I already have it over here. So once you can move this to the side as well. You can lower the opacity, but in this case, why would you? And yeah, that's how you add this helping image to yourself into Krita, so you can see the positions of the different vowels and stuff like that. I'm gonna sneeze so bad. I didn't sneeze, and we continue with our journey. So this is my way of doing the lip syncing. What you can do from here is make a new layer for your mouth and click the play button.
My name's Ladybeard. I'm a heavy metal singer.
And you can listen, and you can stop, and you can just try to mimic the sounds coming from her mouth. It's a guy. I know. I'm just making a joke. Okay. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I try to let's say with the red frames. If you click your right button on the frame, you can change the color over here. So the red frames that you see here, the red keyframes that I have, are the close positions of the mouths, and the yellow ones are the open positions. The green ones are this is the L and the th sound. So it's the only one where I have the tongue touching the upper teeth. And this one is when he bites his lips. I guess we don't have it here. I don't know which sound why I decided to do that. Let's see.
Ladybeard.
Beard, lady beard. That's why I decided to do this sort of position of the mouth when he goes lady beard. I guess that's how I chose this one. And yeah, pretty much I'm trying to direct myself, because once I draw, let's say if I drew all these on him in different frames, I can just literally copy and paste them later on, so I don't have to redraw them. I can just reuse the positions I already have. So that's a good practice to keep in mind, and to speed up your animation. If you're gonna use the same mouth position, that's a good thing. But that's pretty much it. How you can copy and paste? Well, you can literally come after this keyframe, sorry, and you can add a duplicate frame, or you can select and you can hit Alt on your keyboard and drag this, and now you have the identical keyframes. So Alt, move over here, it stays there, and remember, if you decide to copy it that way, you will see that they have this sort of pattern. If you select one of them, if I select this one, this will have the same pattern, which will indicate that these two are a copy of each other. So if I make any adjustment here, let's say grab this and just do this on this frame, this should stay the same because I made a there we go. This is actually a good thing if you try to make some adjustments and to the copy, and then the original the original, and then the copy inherits that. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Yeah, that's how you make lip syncing. It's a pain in the ass in Krita, but other people do it, so why can't you? This is the logic I'm using. So, so I hope this was a bit more helpful than the other ones. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Take care, bye. And drink your vitamins, of course. I forgot to say that.